Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Peaches October. If you are new here, if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for tuning in again. Welcome back. And I'm just going to jump into this makeup tutorial. I would like to apologize that I did not record the first section of my eye look where I went in with the first shadow. And the first shadow that I used is called Chance from the Desi and Katy Dose of Color eyeshadow palette. It is a medium brown shade with a subtle warm undertone. It has a matte finish and it's very opaque in color, but for some reason the color payoff wasn't really coming through for me, and so I decided to switch to the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession palette. And before doing that, I decided to clean under my eyes, clean my cut crease with a Q-tip to remove the concealer. And so yes, so I grabbed the Mauve Obsession palette and I'm using the first burgundy shade because I really wanted a pigmentation, good color payoff in my crease. So I took that burgundy shade and I'm using a pencil brush. And I'm just darkening my crease line, making sure that I'm defining it the way that I want to. I want more color payoff in there. And next I will go in with my Morphe 507 blending brush and blend out the shadow to kind of soften it out a little bit more. So I'm gonna make sure that you blend in that crease area because you don't want any harshness. You want to have a gradient effect, and so I just blended it down to make sure that I had the exact color payoff and saturation that I wanted in there. And so moving on, I went ahead and grabbed the I'm not sure how to describe that shadow, but I guess I would say it's it's a light peach shade with a warm undertone, but then it has like a metallic finish to it. And then I went back in the Desi and Katy palette. I pulled out the dark shade called Game Over and I'm using that to blend out my Auto V. Then I went back into the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and pulled up that shimmery color again to add on or build on to the shadow that I had in my inner lid. And all I'm going to do going forward is just marrying those two shades by blending them into each other because I don't want any harshness. I'm just blending those. So anyway, after blending out the shades, I went in with my glitter from Voss, and the name is Armour. Come on, focus camera. Yes, Armour. And I also took my Blitz glitter glue from Sally's beauty store, and I'm just tapping it on there. And after tapping it on, I'm tapping on the glitter glue, and after tapping it on, I'm going to lay down the glitter. Glitter is very beautiful. It's like a chunky kind of glitter, and I didn't do my entire lid. I'm just putting the glitter in the middle of my eyelid, if that makes sense. Yes, I'm just tapping it on into the middle. I did not want it all over my lid. It's like a champagne color glitter, and it looks like it's mixed with a little bit of gold. I'm using my Milo Cosmetics Precision eyeliner, and the shade that I'm using is called, oh, that's not a shade. I was certain there was a shade number on this eyeliner. No, but there is not a shade on here. It is just precision eyeliner, a dark one, because the color is black. And after doing that, I went ahead and added my Sephora liquid eyeliner in Noir 01. After lining my eye, I went ahead and cleaned under my eyes, and then went in with my mascara. And the mascara that I use is from It's Cosmetics, and it is the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara, and the shade is Super Black. This is my first time using this mascara. I had it for almost a year now. I haven't opened it, so it's still fresh and nice. So this is my first time using it. And yes, I'm just using that mascara on my eyes and getting it ready for the false eyelashes, which I did put on off camera. After putting on the mascara, I went ahead and did my under eye with the same colors on the top. I just went ahead and in my crease, I did my eyes. I did my under eye with the colors in my crease, which is that mauve color, and then went in with an eyeliner from CoverGirl, which is the full spectrum eyeliner, and that was the black color as well. And I just went and darkened my waterline. And after putting that in my waterline, I completed my face in another tutorial, which is linked down below, or you probably might see it up on the screen, but yes, it is linked down below. And that video is all about the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession. It is about the Huda Beauty foundation. And so I just finished up that, and I jumped right into putting on my hair. I wanted that crazy look, and so I did not do too much to the hair. I didn't flat iron the hair. I just washed it and, you know, deep condition it, and I love the way it looks right now, and so I decided to go with that. And I hope you guys love how this video turned out, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.